Recurring invoices. Learn how to create and manage recurring invoices in Zoho Books to automate your invoicing for repeat customers. This tutorial explains how to set invoicing frequency, customize invoice templates, and ensure timely payments without manual effort. Automating invoices saves time, improves cash flow, and keeps your accounting accurate. We will discuss a scenario. Assume you are providing consultancy services to a client, GreenTech Private Limited, and you charge LKR 100,000 per month. The agreement is for 12 months and you want to Zoho Books to automatically generate and send the invoices every month. This way you can set up your recurring invoices. Go to Sales, select Recurring Invoices, click New, select Customer, enter amount, choose Repeat, set Start Date, set End Date, enable Auto Send Email to Invoices. We will go to the Zoho Books. You can go to Sales, select Recurring Invoices. System will display the life cycle of a recurring invoice. You need to create recurring invoice profile, enter the invoice, and you can automatically send the invoices. We will create new recurring invoice. First, you need to select the customer. After that, you can enter profile name. This is to identify what is the for which customer recurring invoice. Next, if you have or if your customer has sent any purchase order, you can enter the purchase order number here. Next, you can select the repeat frequency. You can select week, 2 weeks, month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, year, 2 years, 3 years, and custom. So now in this scenario, we are sending invoice monthly, so I'll select month. And you can select start on date. I select 25th of October and it's for 12 months. Therefore, I select the end date. It's 2026, October 24th is the last date. And there's another option, never expires. If you check this option, that invoicing will continue. So in this scenario, we are invoicing for 1 month. Therefore, I'll select I'll tick never expires and I'll enter the ends on date. Next, we can select the payment terms. I'll select 30 days. Account receivable account, and Zoho Books you can maintain different account receivable accounts. That feature not available in many accounting softwares. So you can maintain different accounting receivable accounts. Next, you can select salesperson. These are additional fields we have created. In your screen, these additional fields will not display. Next, you can select your item. I will create new item, service item, consultancy fees. amount, I'll enter 100,000 and I'll untick this purchases and save. Right now one quantity. If you want you can enter description. So if you type anything here, it will display in the invoice print. Right, like that you can enter you can enter amounts, and if you are giving discounts you can enter here. Now here you can enter discount in percentage or value. So if you select percentage, it will percentage. You can see that 100,000 10% discount is 10,000, so therefore it's 90,000 amount. If you're giving value, so 1,000 discount, therefore the amount has reduced to 99,000. Like that you can enter the discount. Next, if you are a tax registered company, you can select the tax. If you want, you can add more lines by clicking this add new row. If you have any shipping charges, you can add, or you can add adjustment. If you want to increase or decrease these amounts, you can use adjustments. After that, you can save this recurring invoice. So if your customer has email address, you can automatically send that invoice by checking this option, and from the preference you can do the setup. Now if you click this setting button, you have few options that create invoices as draft, and if you select this option, system will not send the invoice, it will just create the invoice as a draft invoice. Next option is create and send invoices. So if you select this option, invoices will automatically send to your customers. Next, create, charge and send invoices. If you select this option, your customer's credit card associated with the recurring invoice is charged automatically. So I'll select the second option and I'll save. So this is we have completed the creating that recurring invoice. You can see details available, frequency monthly, last invoice days. Currently we don't have last invoice days. Next invoice date, and we can view the amount. So like that we can create recurring invoices.